Happy holidays from the Wandering Blonde Wino. We've had the blizzard of 2009 today, and what better to celebrate a blizzard than having snow wine? All you need is a plastic cup, bottle of wine, some cranberry juice to spice it up, and you're good to go. First we're going to start with the snow. Fill this plastic cup up, pack it pretty nicely. It's quite cold, it's very cold actually. Okay, and let's go into the kitchen. This way. Alright, first thing, you take your white wine of choice, pour the first layer here. Like that. Pour as much as you want. If you have family in town, you probably want a little bit more wine in there, which is always a good idea. Then you take your cranberry juice or Canada Dry ginger ale that has cranberry in it. Pour that in on top of the wine. Take your Bizzard right here in a cup. Scoop the snow, pack it a little bit, plop it in there. Do a little bit more. Look, see, it's fizzing, it's very festive. Put another one in there and voila, you have your snow wine. And enjoy. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, cheers.